Microsoft has made Windows Copilot available to all users with the release of Windows 11 22H2 Movement 4 update. With Windows Copilot, the company is testing the integration of AI in Windows 11. For your information, Windows Copilot is an AI-based assistant or program that is being developed by Microsoft for Windows 11. It's designed to assist users in various tasks and activities on their PCs. It will provide contextual suggestions, help with productivity, and improve the overall user experience. The release of Windows Copilot is initially controlled and limited to some countries, so it is possible that even if you have updated your PC to Windows 11 22H2 Movement 4 update, the Windows Copilot feature is unavailable for you. Fortunately, there is a trick to force enable Windows Copilot on your Windows 11 PC. Here is what you need to do. Before that, we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel so we can continue making such content. Right click on the desktop and select New, Shortcut. In the type location of the item field, copy paste this address and click Next. On the next screen, give it a name, Windows Copilot, and click Finish. Now this will create shortcut on the desktop with the name Windows Copilot. Double click to open it and you will see the Windows Copilot panel on the right side of the screen. As simple as that. Now that you have enabled Windows Copilot on your PC, let's see how it works. For example, if you want to open Setting app on your Windows 11 PC, then you need to type something like Open Setting app or Launch Setting app or something similar. Windows Copilot will search for the right action and give you a prompt. You just need to confirm your action and the setting will be applied and instantly Setting app will open. Let's take another example. If you want to switch from dark to light mode or vice versa, then you need to type disable dark mode or switch to light theme, and Windows Copilot will search for the right action again and give you a prompt. You just need to confirm your action and the same setting will be applied. You can see that after confirming the action, the theme is changed. Just like that, you can type different commands to access various settings on your PC. So that's all about this video. Why don't you try this trick and let me know if this helps you. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.